The Mould King Mini V8 Engine Kit 1-71 is a captivating model that beautifully replicates the classic V8 engine, complete with a transparent cylinder head and dynamic piston motion. This model is crafted with precision, featuring realistic components such as intricate wiring and a finely detailed motor block, providing a lifelike experience. Designed for car enthusiasts and collectors alike, this V8 engine model serves as a stunning conversation piece that highlights mechanical artistry. Constructed from durable materials, the kit ensures a long-lasting and reliable build, with parts engineered to fit together seamlessly for a satisfying assembly. As an educational tool, this kit is ideal for aspiring engineers, combining fun with learning to foster creativity and a deeper understanding of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics subjects. The Mould King Mini V8 Engine Kit 10171 is an excellent gift choice for teenagers and adults, blending entertainment with educational value.